Welcome back, guys. This is just a quick update. I know it's been a while and I do apologize. Just been struggling to be motivated, but anyway, into the update. As you can see, I've kind of torn away and started rebuilding this incline, hoping to make it a lot smoother and even so I won't get so many derailments. You might be questioning with the car, that will be covered up in plaster so it won't have any risk of being rotted or anything like that. Also got the Dremel and chisel just to bring it down so that way it doesn't have to reach up to a certain point by the time it gets there. So now if I just come across here, it actually goes down into the incline rather than the incline having to meet up to this board here. So hopefully it will be hopefully it won't be so sudden and it will be much better running. Anyway, also had brought up all the track down here. That's just because the track plan didn't work and it needed redoing, in all honesty. So new plan is, once this is done, is probably we'll have one track going there, going across, coming off into another tunnel. Like there'll be a bridge with a tunnel thing here, so that way one will go into a small siding for EMU or DMU, and the other will go to a station which will just be up against there. Anyway, apart from that, not much else has been completed. I think I did touch up this since the last update, so that way it all just looks a bit better. Once I get all the incline done, plan is to paint all this and do it all up, finish this quarter of the layout, and then pull the top section off and repaint all the sides, and then continue with the track laying and scenery on the top. Anyway, again, I apologize for such a gap in updates. Hopefully I'll be more motivated and get more out to you soon. Anyway, thanks for watching and I will see you soon.